Hi guys, what are you doing there guys? What are you doing? You are making to cut the this is now the building house. I will turn around. I will turn around the building house. Guys, what are you doing there, guys?
Dan spout sa tubig.
Okay, that's it. How about you guys?
The same.
Huh?
The same.
The same as usual. How about you, handsome guy?
Yeah.
Those who are in upstairs, what are you doing? Ah, to file hollow block. Okay, that's good. Okay, I will turn around the building house. Okay, this is the back of the building house. This is the back. This is the back portion of the building house. Guys, what are you doing there? Digging. You are digging the holes. For what purpose? They will make a septic tank for the CR. Okay, another side of the building house. Oh, this is the output for today's video. This is the outcome or the happening now. Guys, what are you doing, guys? Guys, can you hear my question, guys? Hi, he is very busy. Very busy mixing the cement. Okay. This is now the happening for today's video. Okay, you are very busy mixing the cement and the gravel. How about you guys? What are you doing?
You put my hollow block in the
You put hollow block beside the
house.
building house.
Building house.
Okay. He's putting the hollow block. Okay, this is the right side of the building house. That is front side. Front side. Okay, this is the front side. The workers are very busy. How about you, handsome guy?
Ayan punpun guys.
What are you doing?
Ayan punpun para finishing.
Okay, they are using the gravel and sand so that we can ready to mix the sand and gravel. Okay. Okay, this is it.